everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's recipe because it's inspired by my cousin Sophia, who told me about this aquafaba, which you could use to make this heavenly whipped topping, which is dairy-free and also good for you. Now let's get started. Okay, so to make this aquafaba whipped topping, you'll simply need a can of garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas. Try to buy the organic ones because if you look at the ingredients on the back of the can, it's only going to have the beans, the water, and some salt. Unlike this regular can, which has a ton of added chemicals and preservatives that you just don't want. Also, feel free to boil the dried beans too if you like, then boil the water down into a concentrate. Now what you're going to do is drain the water out into a bowl. 2 cans gave me about 1 cup of aquafaba. Simply whip this liquid up on a high speed until it becomes super thick and tripled in volume. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I post unique videos every single week. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out. So you guys may be asking, what exactly is aquafaba? It's the water or brine that you find in any canned beans, so feel free to use cannellini white beans or whichever you have on hand. Once this is thickened a bit, go ahead and add about 1/3 cup of powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue whipping it for 2 to 3 minutes longer until it becomes even more thick and stiff peaks form, and your delectable vegan meringue is ready. The reason I call this a meringue is because to me, that's exactly what it tastes like. It has a slightly marshmallow taste. Use this bean liquid for any baking recipe that calls for 1 to 2 eggs. 3 tablespoons of aquafaba is equivalent to 1 egg. How is this possible, you may be asking? Well, an egg white has about 10% protein and aquafaba is about 1%, but together with the starches in the beans results in a similar mixture. This is, you guys, the perfect recipe for any whipped cream lover. It's an extremely lighter version that you can go ahead and overindulge in. For any special vegan diet, top this on a cake and it'll keep firm for up to 1 day. Any longer than that, feel free to freeze the whip and unfrost it like any other frozen whip topping. I want to thank my cousin Sophie for this recipe. I love and miss you. We used to be the master bakers while spending every weekend at our Yaya Olga's house. They were just the best memories. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.